we're going from mycelium on agar plates to the incubation chamber. Our story begins with rye grain berries. So after a thorough rinse and soak with gypsum, I'll bring the water to a boil as to evaporate the surface moisture of the berries. Then we'll load the berries into our bags. These bags will go into our pressure steam sterilizer. Under our laminar flow hood, we'll introduce our colonized agar to the sterilized grain. Once inoculated, we'll seal these bags with our impulse heat sealer. Touchdown. Now these bags will spend their time in our DIY incubation chamber. Thanks for watching. I will construct a follow-up video for the remainder of the process. Game on.